Alright, Squids, we're on the PCX and we're trying to pick up some extra cash today, doing some Uber Eats and DoorDash. We have one for $6.08, but that's for pizza, and I don't have a pizza bag. I actually have to invest in a pizza bag. We accepted something from DoorDash for $6 from Soulboat, so this is the first delivery I'm going to do on this particular bike. And here's something in from Uber Eats for $3.63, which is crazy. Hi, how's it going? I'm picking up from DoorDash. Yeah, you got to keep the food nice and warm here. All right, thank you. Have a good day. Confirm pickup. Yeah, that lady's just so nice. Confirmed that the order was picked up. That was a salmon. Picked up some nice salmon. One of my favorite fish to eat. Man, very exciting first delivery of the day. Yeah, every time I go in there, like, she's so friendly. A lot of reckless people here. That's one thing I've noticed, and sometimes you don't have that sort of recklessness, but so far I've seen two people intentionally run red lights. And when people go, oh yeah, people do that all the time, sometimes I do that. No, people are running red lights intentionally now. There we go. Excuse me, sorry. Thank you. Oh, hi Sophia, here you go.
Thank you.
All right, have a good one. Yeah, $6.25 for this dash. Here's one for faux Viet. You know what? Let's do this one. Faux Viet, 4.9 miles. We'll pick this order up. Driver over there, oh, he's got a good bag, and I think he's in a genuine buddy. Never see other riders doing deliveries here. Here we go, faux Viet 75. This is where we're picking up. Plenty of parking here. Shoot, sucked. Hey, how's it going? Jacqueline, is that it? Is there drinks in here? All right. You know, because it's got drinks, I think I'm just going to carry this one. Never carried an order on my back. Look at this thing. Polaris slingshot. Carrying your back is not as comfortable. All right, we've accepted a new one from Seafood something or other. I think it's on the left here. Yeah, on the left. That was quick. Hey, look at this guy. Mid-Atlantic Seafoods. Man, that is fancy. Oh, not as easy as with the CRF is way easier. Oh. What mobile? Man, look at this place. Judy-R. Like, this place is awesome. Man, this place is so big. I had no idea it existed here. Look at my cute little scooter. Man, you do not see GSX-Rs like that anymore. They've pretty much have come and gone. Good. 1501 right here. Leave at door. Done. Completed delivery. Look at that. The headlights look so good. It's actually holding. So far We have made about $22.75, or $5 from Chick-fil-A. We're gonna have to decline that. Nothing under 6, nothing under 6, guys. Look at this car. That's a nice looking car. Thunderbird, nice. That is a beautiful car. That is really ice. Oh my god, we have another $10. Look at all the ice on the ground. Let me see if I can look at this. $10, Chick-fil-A. Alright, I'm gonna do this one. Chick-fil-A. So where is Chick-fil-A? Oh, we're right here. Last time I came to Chick-fil-A, it took forever to get ready. Here's Chick-fil-A. How convenient. How freaking convenient here. So we're gonna stop here, grab this for 10 bucks. Last time I came here, it was actually the first time I rode this scooter. I had to cancel. They were just taking like just forever. Of course. Yeah, that was actually quick. That was a freaking quick pickup. This little windscreen is effective at getting the wind off of you. I know a guy that lives over here. He's from my village in Portugal. Okay, we're done with this. Man, this street here is so badly indicated. I mean, like some of these houses, okay, you can see the number, but back there, even the mailbox was located in the wrong place. 3, maybe 4 bucks. 4 on 5, please. All right, we have an Uber Eats to pick up. I accepted one from China Dynasty. Here we go, China Dynasty. Let's go and get this. Hey, how's it going? I'm picking up for Nico L. Thank you so much. You too. And we're off. We actually have to go up that road, but it's a little bit difficult to cross here. So we're going to go this way. Red light. This guy ran the entire red light. I've seen like 5 people run reds. Oh man. My hands, even though I have these hippo hand type of things, these hand muffs, still getting extremely cold. Submit. And first Uber of the day, first and last. I'm just gonna quit right here. This was just a quick run in the new year on the Honda PCX. I'm still trying to fix it. I'm waiting on a piece of plastic for the front, but that's pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like these delivery videos, hit that like and subscribe, and tell me what bike I should be using for this. I plan on actually using the FJR and the Goldwing and the D-Max and the CRF. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.